Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The operating water valves are the silent conductors of your centrifugal purifier system, controlling the opening and closing of the bowl for sludge discharge, so their precision is vital for continuous fuel treatment on your ship. If these valves fail, your purifier might refuse to prime, or it could lose its water seal, leading to a heavy oil overflow and a messy engine room. To begin the inspection process, start by ensuring the purifier has come to a complete standstill and that the electrical power and water supply are safely isolated. Locate the solenoid valve block, or the operating water distribution manifold, which is usually mounted on the frame of the purifier. These valves direct high-pressure water to the closing and opening chambers of the bowl at precise intervals determined by the control program. Begin by dismantling the solenoid valve body and removing the internal plunger and spring. Inspect the plunger for any signs of swelling in the rubber seat or metallic debris trapped in the orifice. Even a tiny piece of rust from the water tank can block the small pilot holes, causing the valve to stick in the open position. Use a fine needle to clear the pilot ports, but be extremely careful not to enlarge them. Examine the internal spring for fatigue, as a weakened spring will prevent the valve from snapping shut quickly, resulting in excessive water consumption and irregular bowl operation. Clean the valve seat with a soft lint-free cloth and check for any signs of scale or calcium buildup, which is a common issue if the ship's domestic water system is not properly treated. If your system uses a mechanical operating water valve with a sliding piston, check the piston rings and the cylinder bore for scoring. Any internal bypass of water will lead to a loss of pressure, meaning the bowl will not close firmly during the purification cycle. Check the electrical coils for any signs of overheating or cracked insulation, and use a multimeter to verify the resistance against the manufacturer's specifications. If the coil is weak, it may fail to lift the plunger under high water pressure. When you begin reassembly, replace all O-rings and gaskets with new spares from the service kit and apply a light coating of silicone grease to the seals to ensure they stay flexible. Reinstall the valve block and check that all water connections are tight to prevent leaks that could damage the nearby electrical motors. Before starting the purifier, perform a manual function test through the control panel to listen for the distinct click of the solenoids and to verify that water is flowing to the correct ports. Ensuring these valves are perfectly calibrated and clean prevents sludge buildup in the bowl and protects your main engine from contaminated fuel. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.